Hi everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today I have something super exciting for you. Our very first refrigerator guest. Today's guest is everyone's favorite tattooed teacher, Miss Bolton from Reno, Nevada.
Hello friends, and welcome back to the refrigerator. My name is Ms. Bolton, and I'm your guest host today. Today we're going to be reading one of my favorite books. This is Lulu is a Rhinoceros by Jason Flom with Allison Flom, illustrated by Sophie Corrigan. Yes, I am Lulu. What I'm not is a bulldog. In fact, I am not a dog at all. Can you guess what I am? I am a rhinoceros. In my heart, I have thick gray rhino skin. But what I really have is soft, fuzzy fur. In my mind, I have a tail that whips and twirls. But what I see is a little nub that wiggles when I'm happy. But the only thing I don't have yet that I really, really want is my rhino horn. Hi, I'm a rhinoceros. Eek! I'm a rhinoceros. Are you some kind of freak? I'm a rhinoceros. Do you think I can't see? I am a rhinoceros. You don't look like one to me. If I only had my horn, they would finally see the real me. Let's try this ice cream cone on for size. I think it would be a pretty cool horn. Not cool. Cold. Brain freeze. I don't think rhino horns are supposed to be this floppy or stinky. A traffic cone. That might work. Wow! I can't see a thing. I guess this banana will have to do. Do you know what I am? You're a bulldog with a banana on your nose. No, that's my horn. I need that. That's enough. I've had it with pigeons. I've had it with dogs. I've had it with everyone. That's my horn. It's a banana. Give me back my horn. It's a banana. Can you see where Lulu and the pigeon are going? Into the zoo. It's my horn because I'm a rhinoceros. Keep out, rhino enclosure. Yoink. You're a peculiar looking rhino. Did you say rhino? I am a rhino. How did you know? We're in the rhinoceros enclosure. So of course you're a rhino. That's right, I am. My name's Lulu. Who are you? I'm Flom Flom. I'm a tick bird. Every rhino has a tick bird. And every tick bird has a rhino. Except for me, that is. Well, I don't have a tick bird. Well, if you need me, and you need me, then why don't we? Yes, I am Lulu, and I am a rhinoceros. The end. I hope you like the story. Now we're going to do some drawing. Are you ready? Okay, well, of course, for this book, we have to draw a rhino. So get your pencils, paper, and your favorite art supplies, and come draw with me. I'll help you. First thing you're going to do on your piece of paper is get your pencil. You're going to make a nice big oval right in the middle of your paper. Don't be afraid to make it really big. Okay, it should take up almost the whole paper. All right, the next step, you're going to find the middle of that oval, about right there. You're going to draw a small oval inside it. Does it have to be perfectly in the middle? No, it's fine. Okay, the very next step you're going to do is you're going to draw a straight line down from that middle oval, about as long as your pinky finger. Okay? If it's a little longer or a little shorter, that's okay. The pinky finger is just kind of to help you figure out how long it is. Next step, you're going to draw an upside down letter V coming down from that line. Okay, you guys with me so far? Excellent. So our very next step, we're going to draw a little line to make a triangle inside that upside down V. We'll come back to it later. Next step, friends, we are going to draw 2 circles for our rhino's eyes, of course. And when I draw eyes on my drawings, I like to do a little smaller white circle so its eyes look very shiny. Okay? Give it some eyebrows too. Of course. And we're going to give it these kind of fat cheeks. So draw a little line underneath its eyes. So a line coming from its eyes. All right? Next step, we're going to draw a little line above its nose. Okay, now we're going to give our rhino some wrinkles. Remember that upside down V that we drew earlier? You're going to start at one side of your upside down V, and you're going to draw a letter C. Then you're going to go from your other upside down V, and you're going to draw another letter C. Okay? Now, you have a pencil eraser. Go ahead and erase these lines here. And if you don't have a pencil eraser, that's okay, because we're going to trace over this with marker later. All right, so let's give our rhino some more wrinkles. So with the wrinkles, we're just going to draw some lines to make our rhino nice and wrinkly. So we're going to draw some lines here. Some lines there. And let's see, let's do maybe another line here. Okay. Got a nice wrinkly rhino. Oh, let's draw another wrinkle just underneath this triangle here. And we're going to add in, for our little triangle here, this is our rhino's mouth. Now rhinos, are they meat eaters or plant eaters? Yeah, they're plant eaters. So they have flat teeth. So we're going to just give our rhino some flat little teeth because they're just peeking out of the mouth there. All right. Next step, we need to give our rhino some ears. All right. So you're going to go to the top of a rhino's head. Here's the middle. You're going to go just a little bit over above the eye. And you're going to draw a curve. It's kind of like a little loop, but it doesn't go all the way. Okay? Then you're going to go on the other side and do the same thing. Make a little loop, but don't go all the way. All right. And the next step, you just draw a line straight down from there to the head. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. Some of you guys are looking at this drawing and saying, Miss Bolton, this is not a rhino. And I say, it's Lulu. She is a rhino. So we need to make sure we give Lulu the final touch so she looks just like the rhino that she feels like she is. Which is what? Of course, her horn. We need to make sure she has a nice, beautiful rhino horn coming from above her nose there. Perfect. And then erase that line from her head. Perfect. Now, let's get our black marker and trace over our pencil drawing. And if we didn't perfectly trace our pencil lines, that's okay, because we're going to color this now. You can color with whatever you like. I'm going to use some markers. And also you can color whatever color you like. You can decorate Lulu's horn. You can make her look like a unicorn. Whatever you like. What I'm going to do for my drawing is, because Lulu truly believes that she is a rhino, I'm going to color her gray for her gray rhino skin. And color her horn something special. I think I'm going to make her horn a nice, pretty blue. This blue is my favorite color. And there we have it. We have our drawing of Lulu the rhinoceros. Don't forget to sign your masterpieces. And there you have it, your drawing of Lulu the rhinoceros. I hope you had fun with me today. I had a great time. And we'll see you again soon on the Refrigerator. Thanks for joining me. Bye.